Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Go on iOS. First, head to the App Store on your Apple device and download the game. Once installed, open the application and follow the brief tutorial to understand the basic controls. You will then select your first bird character, like Red or Chuck, to kick off your racing adventure. It's a fun and fast-paced experience right from the start, offering many hours of enjoyment. Once on the track, mastering the controls is key. Simply tap and hold anywhere on the screen to accelerate your cart forward. To navigate turns and avoid hazards, swipe your finger left or right. Keep an eye out for valuable coins and helpful power-ups like speed boosts. Don't forget to activate your bird's special ability by tapping its icon for a strategic advantage during the race. To stay competitive, upgrading your cart is essential. Use the coins you collect during races to enhance your cart's speed, acceleration, and handling. As you advance through the game, you'll unlock exciting new carts and a roster of different bird characters, each with unique skills. You can also personalize your ride with a variety of paint jobs and fun accessories, making your cart truly one of a kind. Angry Birds Go offers several exciting game modes to keep the fun going. Dive into classic versus races, challenge the clock in Time Boom, or test your precision in Fruit Splat. Make sure to complete the daily challenges for extra coins and valuable gems. For a more social experience, you can even compete against your friends in local multiplayer races, adding another layer of competitive fun to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.